In a realm where the whispers of the cosmos reverberate through the atoms that dance to the rhythm of existence, there lies a profound law, the quantum law. This primordial doctrine transcends the simplistic linear causality, propelling us into a domain where intention orchestrates the symphony of manifestation. Here, in the embrace of the quantum, we find the keys to attracting all that our soul yearns for. But how does one master such an elusive, omnipotent law? Today, we embark on a sanctified journey into the heart of the quantum, unraveling its ancient secrets and aligning our essence with its boundless potential. With each insight, we shall transcend the mundane, inching closer to the tapestry of divinity that awaits the enlightened. Understanding quantum entanglement. The first steps on this holy sojourn demand an understanding of quantum entanglement, the cosmic dance that binds the seemingly separate into an inseparable oneness. It is said that particles once entangled, no matter the distance apart, mirror each other in a choreography ordained by the cosmos. This phenomenon transcends the physical, mirroring the ancient spiritual wisdom of oneness. It beckons us to ponder on our interconnectedness, not just with fellow beings, but with the universe at large. As we delve deeper, we begin to perceive the profound implications of our thoughts, emotions, and actions in this grand dance. Our individual energies entangle with the cosmic currents, creating ripples of manifestation that echo through the realms of existence. The power of conscious awareness. Venturing further into the quantum realm, we encounter the mysterious observer effect. Herein lies the power of conscious awareness, where the act of observation transmutes the quantum possibilities into palpable reality. The ancient sages professed, "As within, so without," encapsulating the essence of the observer effect. Our internal landscape, teeming with beliefs, desires, and intentions, orchestrates the external reality. As we nurture a profound awareness, we become the sovereign architects of our destiny, mastering the quantum law to attract the desires that resonate with our soul's calling. The philosophical profundity of the observer effect nudges us into a realm of contemplation, where we are beckoned to master the art of conscious observation, forging a reality that mirrors the profundity of our inner being. The law of vibration. Delving deeper into the quantum tapestry, we come across the law of vibration, an ancient axiom proclaiming the perpetual dance of energy. Every thought, emotion, and intention sends forth a unique vibration, resonating through the quantum field, mingling with a cosmic symphony. To master the quantum law is to harmonize our vibrations with the desires we seek to manifest. Like a master musician tuning his strings to the divine melody, we too must tune our internal frequencies to resonate with the abundance, love, and wisdom that is our birthright. It is a journey of profound attunement, a celestial concert where our soul's melody finds its echo in the boundless cosmos, attracting the essence of our desires into the physical realm. Quantum healing, the elixir of wholeness. As we journey through the realms of quantum understanding, we stumble upon a gem of transcendental wisdom: quantum healing. It is the alchemy of transforming dissonance into harmony, illness into wellness, by aligning with the quantum law. This divine healing transcends the conventional, embracing the potential of quantum energy to restore balance and wholeness. By channeling focused intention and unconditional love, we catalyze a healing cascade, resonating through every cell, every atom, bringing forth a state of holistic well-being. Quantum healing is a testament to the boundless possibilities that await when we master the quantum law. a gateway to embodying the epitome of spiritual and physical wellness. Quantum abundance, unlocking limitless prosperity. As we transcend the veils of mundane existence, we unlock the sanctum of quantum abundance, where the rivers of prosperity flow with divine generosity. Mastering the quantum law unveils the keys to an existence where scarcity is but a distant illusion, replaced by a reality brimming with abundance in love, wealth, and wisdom. By aligning our intentions by nurturing a consciousness of abundance, we attune to the frequencies of prosperity in the quantum field. It's a realm where our deepest aspirations find fertile grounds to flourish, unfettered by the shackles of lack. Quantum abundance is not merely a philosophical notion, but a tangible reality awaiting the enlightened, a promise of a life resplendent with boundless blessings. Quantum forgiveness, healing through transcendental release. As we navigate the waters of quantum mastery, we arrive at the shores of quantum forgiveness. This divine act transcends the earthly bonds of resentment, leading us into a space of transcendental release. Through the lens of the quantum, every grievance is but a ripple in the cosmic field, seeking resolution and harmony. As we forgive, we realign the quantum dissonances, allowing healing energies to flow through the caverns of our soul, manifesting a reality imbued with peace and love. The act of forgiveness is a profound step towards mastering the quantum law, a doorway to attracting relationships and experiences that resonate with the essence of unconditional love and divine understanding. Quantum gratitude, the alchemy of appreciation. Further along the path, we encounter the transformative power of quantum gratitude. An attitude of gratitude is akin to a magic wand that transmutes the mundane into the miraculous. When we embody gratitude, we vibrate at a frequency that resonates with the heart of the cosmos, attracting a reality abundant with blessings. Each moment of thankfulness sends forth ripples through the quantum field, returning manifold as manifestations of grace. Quantum gratitude is an ode to the infinite abundance that pervades existence, a conscious choice to celebrate the beauty and bounty that is eternally present, awaiting our acknowledgement. Quantum intention, the art of conscious creation. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the quantum law, we come to grasp the potent power of quantum intention. Our intentions are the seeds of creation, carrying within them the blueprint of the realities we desire to manifest. When sowed with consciousness and clarity, these seeds burgeon into magnificent manifestations that echo the purity and power of our original intention. The art of conscious intention is a cornerstone in mastering the quantum law, a sacred practice that empowers us to become deliberate creators, orchestrating a life of purpose, passion, and profound fulfillment. Quantum belief, the foundation of reality. In the heart of the quantum realm, we discover the bedrock of quantum belief. Our beliefs are not mere thoughts, but the architects of our reality. They shape the quantum field, molding the infinite possibilities into the tangible. Mastering the quantum law necessitates a deep excavation of our belief systems, a courageous endeavor to uproot the weeds of limiting beliefs and plant the seeds of empowering truths. As we nurture beliefs that resonate with our divine essence, we unlock the doors to a reality that mirrors our highest aspirations, a manifestation of the boundless potential that dwells within our being. Quantum mindfulness, the path of presence. On the precipice of quantum mastery, we encounter the serene realm of quantum mindfulness. It is the art of profound presence, a sacred communion with the now. As we immerse ourselves in the present moment, we become the conscious observers of the quantum dance, aligning with the rhythms of creation. Mindfulness is a gateway to the quantum law, a path that leads us into a realm where every moment is a canvas of potential, awaiting the brushstrokes of our conscious awareness. As we cultivate mindfulness, we transcend the illusions of past and future, anchoring ourselves in the eternal now, the crucible of quantum creation. Synopsis. As we traverse the labyrinth of the quantum law, we unearth treasures of wisdom that illumine the path to mastering the art of deliberate manifestation. The journey is a sacred pilgrimage, a voyage into the heart of the cosmos where the whispers of the quantum entwine with the song of our soul. The myriad facets explored herein are but waypoints on the road to self-realization, each subtopic a key to unlocking the boundless potential of the quantum realm. The profound insights garnered along the way are a testament to the harmonious dance between the human spirit and the cosmic law. As we stand on the threshold of mastery, the quantum law beckons with a promise of a life rich with meaning, fulfillment, and a profound connection with the divine essence that permeates the cosmos. Through the veil of mystique, we glimpse the awe-inspiring vista of a reality where our deepest desires manifest with grace, synchronicity, and divine timing. The journey to mastering the quantum law is an invitation to step into our power, to embrace our divine heritage, and to live a life resonant with the symphony of the cosmos.